Garden Reach Shipbuilders has signed an MOU with Shift Clean Energy and Seatech Solutions to develop E-Volt 50 electric tugs. Secon Engineering has delivered the third Missile Cum Ammunition Barge to the Indian Navy at Naval Dockyard, Mumbai. India has issued a NOTAM warning for a designated range of 990 kilometers for the period between 6th to 7th December, and it could be the test of the much-anticipated long-range land attack cruise missile. The 6th India-Kazakhstan Joint Working Group meeting took place in Bengaluru, and both sides discussed issues of defense cooperation, joint training and procurement of defense systems. An Indian Armed Forces contingent has embarked on a journey to Australia to participate in the second edition of the Joint Military Exercise Austra Hind 2023, that will be held from 22nd November to 6th December. Indian Air Force has deployed its Phalcon AWACS and Su-30 aircraft for maritime strike mission during the 4-day exercise Dweepshakti, with an aim to evaluate threat perception and war game options, and to validate the plans of Andaman and Nicobar Command. Mahindra Defence has partnered with Milanion Group and has offered its Agema unmanned ground vehicle to the Indian Army. It can be fitted with a number of payloads and accessories, and can be remotely operated or used autonomously via pre-planned paths, and configured with wheels or tracks for the relevant operational needs. It is a fully amphibious platform, and has a customizable deck that can be adapted to any mission-specific payload to support ground and mobile units. It is fully modular with multi-mission payload applications, and can be used in last-mile logistics, resupply and replenishment, border surveillance, critical infrastructure security and search and rescue missions. Chennai-based firm Aero 360 has developed a nano drone named Chakra that masters stealth and precision for discrete military operations. It weighs 430 grams and can fit in a palm. It has a maximum flight time of 20 minutes, an operational range of 2 kilometers, a maximum flying speed of 20 meters per second, and it can operate at temperatures ranging from -10 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. It features advanced sensors and communication systems, and has been crafted for undetectable and precise reconnaissance missions, and can provide real-time intelligence on targets, threats and situations. The DRDO is developing 5 prototypes of the Naval Anti-Ship Missile Medium Range, which will be a Harpoon-class anti-ship missile that can be launched from fixed-wing fighter jets and P-8I maritime patrol aircraft. It will have a range of 350 kilometers, and the missile will be canisterized, that can be easily loaded onto a ship or aircraft, and will have the capability to destroy small to medium-sized warships. The DRDO will also develop NASM-XR variant that will have a much longer range, and will give long-range strike capability to the Navy for defending its coastline from enemy ships. The Indian Army has approached the Madras Institute of Technology to develop a vertical takeoff and landing drone that can be deployed quickly for carrying injured or sick personnel from forward stations to base camps for treatment. Traditional methods of evacuation such as helicopters are limited by terrain and weather conditions. However, drones offer the potential to overcome these limitations, that makes them ideal for medical evacuation missions. US-based firm Cat Marine has announced that it has offered its medium-speed and high-performance engines to India that has been tailored exclusively for the Indian Navy and Coast Guard. The company has said that its engines are well positioned to meet the Indian Navy's specifications ranging from 3 MW to 10 MW in power, that are adaptable and highly reliable in various operational scenarios. Cat Marine has a local manufacturing presence in India that will ensure that the Indian Navy has a reliable source of engines and support services. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.